Hey everybody, Adam here, and today we are doing an unboxing video. This box actually has two items in it. I'll probably try to review both of them, but for right now we're going to unbox them. I'm going to use my K-bar that I have sharpened in a previous video, a knife sharpening video. If you're into that kind of thing, so check those out. I have a pretty cool knife sharpener. It's called a Warthog knife sharpener, and you might like it. You might have seen it. They work really good. So check that out, guys. But if you're here, you're more interested today, anyways, in GoPro attachments and things. Now, these items, as you can tell, came from Amazon. Neither of them are GoPro brand items. As you can see, I've not opened the box. I see a lot of Chinese writing, which was to be expected, but it's okay. So, nothing else in the box. Bubble wrap stuff. This is batteries. This is cases, or a case. And that's to go with the GoPro kit that I've already bought and reviewed, the Platinum GoPro kit that I bought at Best Buy. So let's check this out first. This case, I'm pretty excited about this case for a few reasons. One, I plan on doing some airsoft videos, and this will keep my GoPro safe. I don't have a run camera, but I have a GoPro, so I'll be using this. And that's how it opened up. This thing says it's for it's a Dellison Deynard, Deyard. So it should fit my Hero 7. Everything on Amazon says Hero 7. So now they come with that cover right there that you use to mount onto things. This is just a soft cover. When would I use a soft cover, now that I think about it? Because I don't know if this soft cover would fit inside of this cover, which we have to use most of the time to mount it to things. So, well, I think it's a cool idea. Somebody leave a comment, let me know when you think you would use this soft cover. It's kind of like a phone case cover. I thought it'd be a cool idea, but now that I think about it, I don't know how you would use it or when you would use it. The lens is very dirty, but it does seem like it would fit, and it does. So yeah, I mean, it fits. It's being a little tricky. There we go. I mean, it's a little shockproof cover. You can't open any of your sides to do anything with it. When you can run it, you could hold it, I guess, but you can't mount it to anything. So who really does that with their GoPro? I don't know. Let's take this off. That's not the main reason I bought this thing anyways. The main reason is right here. This case. This clear, hard GoPro case with a mount clip on the bottom, which is cool. I've heard you don't have to take the lens off of your GoPro to use this case. That's what I read online. So that was a big plus for me. I've never taken the lens off. I know you can. I've heard it's a little tricky. Let's see, trying to open this thing up. It's a little stiff. Are we taped? No. There we go. Hey, if it seals up good, that's a plus. So, it comes with a film over the front. Protector every which way. Buttons on top. Oh, it's spring loaded. It is a spring loaded button. So, GoPro. The Hero 7, black. Does fit right in. Like that. And you have access to the buttons. Power button. Yep. Powered it right on. That is cool. This, I'm hoping, will protect my GoPro playing airsoft. So I'm going to mount it so I can use it while I'm playing. Very good. That is cool. That's the first item. It comes with screws. It comes with, let's see, looks like a string. It's supposed to have like a filter. There's supposed to be some lens covers. It's got the anti-fog. Another screw. Oh, here's a little lens cover. That I could see putting on it. You know, when I'm not using it. Nice little case. Foam cut out. "12 months from original purchase to date against all manufacturing defects." So, that's cool. That is this hard case. And you just work it right out. Very good. Now let's check out this other item, which is a battery pack. It's actually a 3 battery pack. It came, or it cost, sorry, I think $40 for 3 batteries. Like I said, they're not GoPro. Brand. It comes with some covers and things too. Oh, battery boxes, I guess. Everything's in this fancy, tricky packing. You have to pull it up, but you have to get that straight. So we'll just tear the packaging. Now, if that's the only battery I get, I'll be disappointed because I thought it said that it came with 3. This one also came with lens protectors and stuff. This one has like a suction cup on your lens protector. This one's more of a hard one. It's supposed to be a box that, I said it's Telesin, a box that you can put your batteries in and will charge multiple batteries at one time. And it has LEDs on the front that tell you when they're done charging. And I guess you can store them in it. I have read that if you store them in it, they will discharge, which is a bit of a bummer. But if they give you 3, oh, there's more batteries. Oh, that's a neat little case. If they give you 3 battery boxes, that's cool too. And that's another one. This is very neat. Now they say you can also charge GoPro batteries in here. This is to charge with the GoPro cable, but they also gave you a cable, which seems to be decent length. Because from what I've been told, I've seen the GoPro batteries don't last super long. So if I wanted to play airsoft with it, I should be able to have one fully charged all the time. Now they say this hinge on the back is not that strong. And it doesn't look to be the strongest. But if you take a little care with it, I think you'll be okay. That's really cool looking how they go. 2 prongs. Surely this only goes one way. So and then this other one that they packaged kind of random. Like I said, the brand's called Tellison. I'll try to put links to all this stuff that I just bought online down in the description below. Never used it. It's obviously not exactly made in America, but as you can see, you get 3 batteries. That one's got this little flipper thing. Different. 3 batteries. Should be able to close it up, plug it in, start charging. Supposed to be a smart charger, so it should cut off when full. And more lens cover stuff. So guys, this is all to get more videos out. I hope to make more videos using the GoPro camera. Some fishing videos I'm thinking of getting ideas for, and airsoft, like I said. So that's a really nice case. Hopefully it lasts. I think it should do good. Hopefully it's good and waterproof, but the GoPro is also waterproof, so that's not the biggest concern. But guys, everybody, I really appreciate y'all watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support, all the likes, shares, subscribes, follows. Remember to go to the Instagram page. It's the official Dad of All Trades. You know, this is the Dad of All Trades, and that had to be the official Dad of All Trades. So, guys, like I said, I'd really appreciate everything. Y'all are doing really good watching and things, and thanks for all the people subscribing. You know, so just like, share, subscribe, follow. You know the routine, and we'll see you next time.